Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Bahamian tuna salad. We will start by gathering all the fresh, vibrant ingredients that give this dish its unique island flavor. Then, I will guide you through the straightforward mixing process, ensuring every component is perfectly combined. Finally, we will explore some delightful serving suggestions so you can enjoy your homemade Bahamian tuna salad to its fullest. Let's get started. To begin, you will need 2 cans of good quality tuna, thoroughly drained. Next, finely dice about 1/2 cup of crisp celery, adding a lovely crunch. You will also need 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion and 1/4 cup of colorful bell pepper. Finally, have 1/2 cup of creamy mayonnaise and a few dashes of your favorite hot sauce on hand to complete our ingredient list. These fresh components are key. Now let's combine everything. First, flake your well-drained tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Then, add the vibrant diced celery, red onion, and bell pepper to the tuna. Next, gently fold in the 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, making sure it coats all the ingredients evenly. Finish by seasoning with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a few dashes of hot sauce for that signature Bahamian kick. Mix well. Your delicious Bahamian tuna salad is almost ready. For the best flavor, chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. You can serve it on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or even in fresh lettuce wraps for a lighter option. Feel free to garnish with some fresh parsley or a slice of avocado. Remember, you can always adjust the hot sauce to your personal spice preference. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.